Good morning, children. Welcome back to the social science class. In our previous class, we know very well we were discussing about the Belagavi division, our Karnataka Belagavi division. So, as we have successfully discussed about the Belagavi division, today what I have thought is, today I have planned to start one more new lesson from the history itself, which is none other than the important dynasties of South India. See, it's very interesting and very important lesson also. See, the whole India has been ruled by number of dynasties. See, if you go back to the history, you will come to know that number of dynasties have been ruled over the India. So, we are going to see some of the important dynasties which have been ruled over the North India. In the same way, we are going to see some of the important dynasties which have been ruled over South India also. When we are supposed to discuss about the South India, we are going to take the examples like this. Maybe Rashtrakutas, Hoysalas, Kadambas, Shatavahanas, Cholas, Cheras, like that number of dynasties are going to be seen. So, if you take the example of the Vijayanagara Empire, so like this number of dynasties have been ruled over even the South India also. Today in our class, we are going to discuss about some of the important dynasties which have been ruled over South India. And one thing you need to keep in your mind, it is not possible for us to discuss each and every dynasties which have been ruled over the South India. So, among them, we are going to discuss only the important one. So, the dynasties which have given a great contribution towards the development of the South India. So, related to that only we are going to discuss in our class. So, as we are supposed to discuss very important dynasties which have been ruled over South India, first we are going to start with Shatavahanas. So, Shatavahanas, they too ruled over South India for several years. And during the period of Shatavahanas also, they tried their level best to contribute lot of things for the development of South India. So, among the Shatavahanas, Gautami Putra Shatakarni is going to be considered as one of the most eminent or well-known king from this dynasty. So, generally I said you about the Shatavahanas. So, we are going to believe that these Shatavahanas belongs to the Kannadigas also. So, today we are going to have a clear-cut discussion about the Shatavahanas according to our syllabus. Okay, everyone listen carefully, it is very important. Shatavahanas. See, the most important dynasty that ruled in South India is Shatavahanas after the Mauryas. See, Mauryas, they did not rule only over the North India, even they ruled over the South India also. After the decline of Mauryas in the South India, the Shatavahanas are going to be considered as the most powerful, most eminent and well-known dynasty which ruled over the South India. Okay. Shatavahanas are believed to be Kannadigas. See, we need to feel very proud because we too are Kannadigas. So, as we are Kannadigas, we need to feel very proud because these Shatavahanas used to be known as our own ancestors. We believe that they belong to the Kannadigas. Okay. And the names of these kings are said to be in Kannada. See, the names of the kings which those who are belonging to this dynasty are going to be said in Kannada. So, for that reason, we need to feel proud about ourselves because this is one of the most important dynasty which ruled over the South India and that too belongs to the Kannadigas. Okay. For example, Hala, Puranavi, Naganika, etc. So, these are the names are there, they are going to be pronounced or they are said in Kannada language. Okay. The capital of Shatavahanas is Paitan, so or Pratistan of Maharashtra. So this the Shatavahanas capital was there, no? So the capital of the Shatavahana used to be known as Paitan. So previously it was known as Paitan, but now it is going to be known as Pratistan, not Pakistan. Pratistan, Pratishthan, Pratistan, and it comes in Maharashtra. Okay, and the greatest king of this dynasty was the Gautami Putra Shatakarni. So as I said you already, the Gautami Putra Shatakarni is going to be considered as one of the greatest leader or ruler or king from this Shatavahanas dynasty. Okay, he brought back the glory of Shatavahanas, which was on the brink of decline. Now you see, actually the importance or the glory of the Shatavahanas was about to decline. So the glory which was about to decline, no, once again he brought the name and fame for this dynasty, that is none other than Gautami Putra Shatakarni. For that reason only we are going to consider him as the greatest king of this Shatavahana dynasty. See, next you see, Gautami Putra Shatakarni. So only his life history we are going to discuss now. Later we are going to discuss about the contributions of Gautami Putra Shatakarni also in detail. He defeated many foreign dynasties like Shaka, Yavana, Pallava, etc. See, Gautami Putra Shatakarni, in the beginning itself I said you, he was an able administrator, he was a powerful king, and he defeated the foreign dynasties also. Maybe it is the Shaka or Yavana or the Pallava. So he repainted his name on the coins of Shaka's Nahapana. So Shaka's coin was there, no? Once upon a time they used to write their own king's name. So but this Gautami Putra Shatakarni, he repainted his name on the coin of Shaka, and his empire was extended to the regions of Konkan, Saurashtra, Malwa, Bihar, etc. He was given the title Trisamudratoya Pitavahana. So this Gautami Putra Shatakarni was there, no? He was got a title, that is Trisamudrataya Pitavahana, the one who has a horse for riding that has drank water for 3 seas. So Gautami Putra Shatakarni, as I said you, he is going to be considered as one of the powerful and able king from this Satavahana dynasty. So he was having one title, Trisamudrataya Pitavahana, in the sense the horse which he used to ride, no, that horse was drank the water of 3 seas, it seems. So in the sense you can understand the eminency or the braveness of Gautami Putra Shatakarni in detail. Okay, so today we have given the introduction about this important dynasties of South India, under that Shatavahanas and the Gautami Putra Shatakarni. In tomorrow's class now we are going to continue with the contributions of this Gautami Putra Shatakarni towards the development of the South India. Okay, so till that, bye, thank you.